Good morning, everyone. I'm Gaurav Bissar from InCred Equities. Nifty witnessed some pressure, but the second half trading session was still better. At the end of day, or rather at the end of week, we have formed two negative candles. The first candle was an extremely weak one. The candle last week was not that weak. There was a pullback from the lower levels, and it was more of a time correction that was witnessed. If you look at the daily charts, Nifty is still stuck in a range where the supports are placed at 24,000, resistances are placed at 25,000. So overall, it's a range bound movement. Whether you look at Nifty 50, whether you look at Sensex, whether you look at Nifty 500, Nifty Macro 250 for that matter. So broader market as well as the benchmark indices are stuck in the range, and the consolidation breakout is expected at the higher levels, which can then push the indices higher. Another interesting aspect, which was part of my weekly bulletin as well, that Nifty is forming what we call as a Gartley pattern, harmonic Gartley pattern, and that can push if things go correct and if the studies are correct, then that can push index towards 25,400 in the coming weeks. So let us see if that happens or not. Once Nifty closes about 25,000, which is the immediate resistance, the pace would again increase. Comfortable writing is being seen at 24,500 put options and 25,000 strike call options. If you look at the US markets, they also had a lot of time correction last week. They are still trading near the high levels, but the divergences they continue. And if we don't see fresh swing breakouts being formed, then I think some profit booking can be seen in the coming week for the US benchmark indices. And same is the case with Russell 3000 index as well. So it will be interesting to see how they behave and whether their behavior indeed influences ours as well or not, because we have already seen underperformance, stark underperformance so far compared to US markets. Gift Nifty at this point is showing 40 points upside as we speak. So in all likelihood, we'll open on a flat to mild positive note. The key level to watch out for is going to be 24,500. Risk takers can buy Nifty towards 24,500, keep a stop loss of 150 points and play for 500 to 800 points upside. Uh, Short-term traders, 1 or 2 day traders can buy for 200 points gain. Medium-term traders can buy for 500 to 800 points gains. So that is how the indices are placed, and I will not delve too much into that. The two challenges which we spoke earlier as well, and also in the last weekly bulletin, they remain as it is. One is the rise in gold. If it is moving in line with expectations, once it continues to go towards 4,000, that can put some pressure on equities. And second is USD which is stuck around 88 zone. Once that sustains, if it sustains 88.35, it can go towards 90. That can put some pressure on equities again. So that is it from my side. Thank you.
Investments in securities market are a subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.